come with the gasket for it. Focus. There it go. So I had to make my camera focus by itself. Y'all see, come with the gasket for it, and then it come with the P. And this is glossy. There it go. This is glossy. So I think it's gonna look a lot better, you know what I'm saying? And y'all know we got a lot of black trim and everything, even though these don't only come in black that I know of. And like I said, got the little tabs on the side. My hands is dirty from working on the cutlass. Got tabs on the side, so I'm guessing you just like try to squeeze them in and then pop the old one, well, pop the old one out and go that way, and then try to stick these in. So, and then yeah, I put the new ones on. So that's probably why this was never working. So let me try and grab some wire pliers real quick, and we're gonna get them out. As y'all see, they are right there. That's what I gotta get out off the hood. So let's try and see what we can get. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now we are moving away from the cutlass for this video and moving on to the charger. You know what I'm saying? It's another little part that I got. You feel me? It's a really small part that I got, and it came in the mail finally. And it's just the pieces that go on the hood. You know what I'm saying? So these go on the hood for to spray out the washer fluid on your windshield. Mine has stopped working and they got overspray on them, so I figured why not just go ahead and get some brand new ones that come with new gaskets and everything, you know what I'm saying? So we got that. We finna, like I said, move away from the cutlass today, well, this video, and move back to the charger, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know the charger is basically completed. A few little pieces I still need to get. I haven't gotten them yet because I've been buying stuff for the cutlass, and the cutlass are out here at the shop and I have to pay out it too much, bro. I'm telling you, too much, and I'm trying to do a lot all at once. But like I said, man, this should be fairly easy and quick. You know what I'm saying? This shouldn't take too long. You know what I'm saying? This should be very easy to do, hopefully. I'm hoping it's easy. And yeah, I hope everything work out well. You know what I'm saying? I hope it ain't no like line that's messed up to where my washer fluid ain't being sprayed out, you know? So yeah, hopefully, like I said, hopefully this is easy to do. It looked like it is. It looked like it just pops out. You feel me? Like you squeeze two tabs together and they pop out. Let me try to open it up and go ahead and show it to y'all. And I got this from Amazon. I think it was like either $10 or $20. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't too much. Very reasonable, very good price in my opinion. Cause y'all know a lot of these car parts today, very expensive. Like this was like I understand why a lot of people don't want to take up cars as a hobby. Like me now seeing how much this stuff costs makes me kind of regret taking this up as like a YouTube channel. You feel me? When I could have just, I don't know, figured out something else. Even though this ain't really working out as well as I thought it would. But like I said, everything takes time. Nothing happens overnight. I can't even open this freaking package. Goodness, bro. I got it. Basically ripped it now. But like I said, come with the gasket for it. Focus. There it go. So I had to make my camera focus by itself. Y'all see, come with the gasket for it, and then it come with the P. And this is glossy. There it go. This is glossy. So I think it's gonna look a lot better, you know what I'm saying? And y'all know we got a lot of black trim and everything, even though these don't only come in black that I know of. And like I said, got the little tabs on the side. My hands is dirty from working on the cutlass. Got tabs on the side, so I'm guessing you just like try to squeeze them in and then pop the old one, well, pop the old one out and go that way, and then try to stick these in. So yeah, hopefully I can get this. You feel me? Put the little gasket on. Just like that, I'm guessing. And then you put it on. I don't know, we finna figure it out though. So hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. We got the new washer fluid little sprayers, you know what I'm saying? Well, yeah, that's what they call windshield wiper washer nozzle spray jet kit for 2001 to 2010 Chrysler, 2005 to 2010 Chrysler 300, 2006 to 2010 Dodge Charger. I got an 06. So yeah, I don't know if I told y'all, but hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. Roll to 5,000 subscribers, so make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. And I now have a light for my camera, so whenever it get dark outside, I can start recording. You know what I'm saying? Y'all still be able to see me pretty good. So like I said, roll to 5K, man, and I'll catch you once we get outside the car. Let's try to get this done. All right, y'all, so y'all see Cutlass in the background. Honestly, I don't know how hard, like I said, I don't know how hard this is gonna be, but we finna get right into it. Y'all know the pieces here. We gotta pull off this little protective piece in here, which I hope I don't damage anything. So let's get right into it. Finna just start pulling these little clips off and move on from there. Come on. I'm trying not to damage this thing either, so I can put it back on once I'm done taking all these clips off. Drop this somewhere. Oh dang it, I broke it. Yep, I broke it. Well, I'm probably just going to break all of them then and try to get that up. This ain't nothing, you know what I'm saying? Excuse me. Just a little protective, like heat protector, you know what I'm saying? So it ain't really nothing. I wanted to put it back on, and I don't have no more clips. And where I gotta get to is like back here. So, well. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it back on after this end. Might just stay on. Yeah, it might just stay off. It's cool. I don't necessarily need it on there. It's just more so good to have. And then what we gotta get is here. And I don't see no lines. Oh, the lines here. And they're broken. So, let me see. Turn y'all a little bit. Y'all see this is the line. And like I said, they're broke. So I gotta figure out how to get these out. Probably like some wall pliers or something. And then, yeah, I put the new ones on. So that's probably why this was never working. So let me try and grab some wall pliers real quick, and we're gonna get them out. As y'all see, they are right there. That's what I gotta get out off the hood. So let's try and see what we can get. We got my wall pliers. So now we just squeeze and push, and that one's out. Almost. Just like it. Like I told y'all, a lot of overspray was on it. And the whole, I guess it was clogged up, but then again, it was also broken. So that's one reason why it was never working. So I'm gonna go ahead, pull this off. Never. This mug's so brittle, it just broke. Just broke. That's some BS there. Let's try and get this one out. You see? They just breaking. This is crazy. They just straight up breaking. So now I gotta try and dig these out. They just breaking, bro. This is crazy. Too bad I ain't got no air hose. I'm gonna blow this line out. Make sure it's clear. Like I said, I'm just digging this stuff out. Just digging it out. Try and make sure this line is clear. Did this come off? If this, yeah. So I just pulled it off, and I'm gonna make sure it's fully clean all the way through. Make sure nothing's inside of it. All right, this one seemed pretty clear. Let me see. All right. All I'm doing is trying to clean out the lines. Make sure the lines are clear for me to be able to put the new one on. All right, this one is clear. This one is clear. Yep, this one is clear. So, yep. So they are pretty good, pretty much ready to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave y'all on. Well, first I want to put these in with the new gaskets. So I'm gonna go ahead, line these gaskets up, put these in. Then I want to try and spray it and see if it's gonna spray. One in. Both of them are in. As y'all can see now, one new one, two new ones. So, like I said, real quick, I want to try and spray that hose, see if anything come out. Let me get my key. So y'all seen the line is free. Actually, I should have tried it with both these hoses on. It's fine, we'll see. So I'm now just gonna put this on, make sure that, there we go. Make sure that's on. And then do the other side. I gotta put this fitting back on. Now I just gotta clean up everything. Y'all seen it spray, it's wet there. So my washer fluid is working and it's full, because you feel me, this ain't been working since basically I had the car, since we sprayed the car, really, I could say. So what I'm gonna do now is try to put this back on. If I can't get it on, then I'm gonna leave it off. But yeah, we got, these is junk, throw this stuff away. Look at that, they just falling apart. This is crazy. Drop that. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna try to get this back on. If I can't, then I'm gonna do it without it. I'm not too stressed about it. And then we're gonna test everything out. Like I said, I ain't had working washer fluid since we painted this car. You know what I'm saying? So let me try and get this on. If I can't get it on, like I said, I'm gonna do it without it. But if I can, then I'm gonna try and get it on. So catch y'all in a second. Alright y'all, so like I told y'all, man, y'all know I just told y'all I haven't had my washer fluid nozzle sprays, jets, whatever you want to call them, they haven't worked since I bought this car, you know what I'm saying? And I just tested it out. One side is working, the other side is trying to spray out. I'm guessing that line is still a little bit clogged up, you know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna need to do is I'm gonna take it back off camera and all that type of stuff, you know what I'm saying? Take it back, take that little heat shielding little plastic piece, you know what I'm saying? Take that back off and then pull the lines back off and try to fully clean them lines with like some carb clean or parts clean, and spray it, you feel me, through the lines and try to fully clean them lines, you know what I'm saying? So I'm thinking that's what it is, you feel me? So yeah, but now at least I got washer fluid. My washer fluids to work, and you feel me, washer fluid ain't nothing but like Windex, you feel me? That's all it really is. It just cleans your windows, literally. That's all it does. So as y'all can see, I sprayed it, but we finna go ahead and spray it real quick again. Turn the car over. Ooh, look at that big screen. And then let's go ahead and spray. Y'all see one side is spraying, but this side ain't spraying all the way. It's barely like spitting out, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's barely spitting out. It look like I'm gonna need new wipers soon too. But yeah, it's barely spitting out. So I'm guessing the line is just clogged. Cause y'all seen it, that old one was brittle and everything, and it literally just broke off into pieces in there. So I'm gonna have to get, like I said, some carb clean, parts clean, something, you know what I'm saying? Just some parts clean, brake clean, something, you feel me? And just spray it through the hose and just try to fully clean out that hose, get everything fully clean, you know what I'm saying? And my battery finna die, so hold on, let me change my battery and I'm gonna come back to y'all. All right, y'all, so my bad about that. Like I said, man, before I had to change the battery out. My washer fluid, it ain't worked since I bought the car, and then we painted it. So once we painted it, I'm guessing we put overspray on it, and it just clogged up the tip for it to spray out of, you know? So I definitely needed to go ahead and get that, and I'm glad I did it. And you feel me, the gloss looked better than having that overspray on it. But I also want it to be functional. I don't care about it just looking good. I need it to be functional. If the original ones was functional still, I wouldn't have never changed them. But yeah, I need them to be functional. So like if my windows are really dirty, I can spray the washer fluid on it and clean. I mean, even though it cleaned my window fairly decently, you feel me? Now my window looks pretty clean besides down there. And like I said, I think I need new wipers. But yeah, man, other than that, man, it didn't spray out the nozzle very good. It just sprayed on the hood, you feel me? It like just leaked out. So that's what I'm saying. I think it's the line. I'm gonna go ahead and clean out that line. So that ain't gonna be nothing too hard. Like I said, I'm gonna do it off camera. I ain't gonna do it on camera. But we got that finished now, you know what I'm saying? There's one more step crossed off on all the cars, you know what I'm saying? One small step at a time. That should be my motto. I should make some shirts out of that. One small step at a time. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what we doing, one small thing at a time. Because, you know, I'm not rich, so if I was, then these cars would have been done and I would have had more cars, and you feel me, just flowing through cars like that. But I'm not, so I gotta take my time, and I want to make sure everything I'm doing it correctly. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to have to come back later on and do it again and then again, and you feel me? That's just more money being wasted. But other than that, we got that finished. Like I said, everything looks pretty good and everything is coming out perfectly, you know what I'm saying? This car is looking fantastic for the version 2.0 makeover. Still got to get my seat covers. We still ain't found them, but you feel me, you just got to keep looking. Yeah, my main focus right now is just the Cutlass. You know, the Cutlass is back home, so that's just been my main focus. The stuff that I was planning on getting for this car, and put it on the back burner now because, like I said, my Cutlass is home, and that's just one car I love. I fell in love with that car, you know what I'm saying? And I don't know if it's more than my box Chevy, but it probably is now at this point, you feel me? I done fell in love with that car, and I just want to see that car perfect, you know? So, but other than that, man, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share these videos, keep growing and elevating together. Road to 5,000 subscribers, man. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Road to 5K subscribers. Slowly but surely, road to 5K. But other than that, man, like I said, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments how y'all feel about the new spray nozzles. This video probably won't do as well, but hopefully it do. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying? Maybe it won't. But other than that, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless. And finna get back to working on the Cutlass, so I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.